Hey guys, it's Beth. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm just jumping on real quick to share with you my small paper pad that I'm using for Smash That Small Paper Pad, the collaboration with Houck's Crafty Cottage. And it just has to be any small pad, like not a 12 by 12, anything smaller than a 12 by 12. So what I'm using this month, I am excited to say that I was asked to be a guest designer for Scrapping for Less for the month of January. So they sent me, it's an exclusive pad, like designed by Scrapping for Less, and it also came with a couple stamp sets, and they're going to be sold as a bundle. And the pad is Winter in Pink, 6x6. It's got 24 sheets, 2 of each designs. I actually just got this in the mail last night, so I haven't even had a chance to look through it. But it's kind of pastel, looks like pastel wintry patterns, very beautiful. So definitely a different winter color scheme, but the pinks and the greens are right up my alley. So I am going to be using this for some projects for Scrapping for Less, and then I figure I'll just, after I do my projects for them, I'm going to kind of work on finishing this pad off to use it up since it is so super cute. And then along with the release of the paper, there were 2 stamp sets. This one is called Winter Fairy House by Scrapping for Less in Tawny Owl Papery. So it's got a little, there's a little fairy house, and it's got some sentiments here. Have a fairy warm winter, fairy blessings coming your way, and may you touch dragonflies and stars, dance with fairies, and talk to the moon. Super sweet. And then the other stamp set has a fairy here with a wand and little Santa type hat, and then a fairy here on the moon. And this one is called Winter Fairies by Scrapping for Less in Tawny Owl Papery. And then the words here, sentiments here are bright, fairy wishes, a warm fairy hello, happy birthday. And then it's just got some other cute images. So these are the products that I'm going to be used for the Scrapping for Less design team. And then, like I said, I will come up with some projects to work on throughout this month on trying to finish off this beautiful pad. But that's what I have for you guys today. In the description box there will be a link of all the other participants in this collaboration, so check them out. They're all using up small pads as well, so check them out for a preview of what they're going to do and check out their channels. But thanks so much for your time today, guys. I hope you're having a crafty day.